10 Best Women Hair Applicants on Amazon You Should Try.
VANESSA, truly a one-pass straightener. The rounded edges for beach waves. Get silky smooth straight or bouncy dreamy curls in just one tool.
HSI Professional Glider Ceramic Tourmaline Ionic Flat Iron Hair Straightener. The glider creates dramatic results on even the frizziest, coarsest hair. Quality ceramic plates use 8 heat balance microsensors to regulate the temperature and evenly distribute heat. Designed with ceramic and tourmaline crystal ion plates to create a shinier, silkier finish in less time. Adjustable temperature settings from 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives greater control for all hair types. The worldwide dual voltage compatible 110 volts to 220 volts works, so you can take it on your next vacation.
Straighten, wave, or curl with the new Remington Pro Twisting Curl Multi-Styler, featuring a heat control sensor to protect color-treated hair from damage and fading. For smooth, straight results, clamp a 1-inch section of hair between the plates and glide smoothly down your hair. With 30-second heat up, 450-degree high heat, and ceramic titanium smooth plates, it's simple to make straight, sleek styles. For full beachy waves, close the styler on a medium-sized section of hair. Twist the styler 180 degrees away from your face and slowly glide down your hair. And the cool tip provides more control. For bouncier curls, repeat the action, but glide down more slowly. The twisted plates and rounded design intuitively guide your twist and cool hair as you style. One styler for 3 unique looks. Create your next style with the Remington Pro Twisting Curl Multi-Styler.
tools. Okay, now I'm going to section the hair. What you don't want to do is to take a section that's bigger than about 3 centimeters. This side of the appliance, where you can see the open chamber, has to be facing the head. You then take the section, place it straight across inside and clamp down. When you clamp down, you need to let go and you're going to hear it rolling into the chamber. You're also going to hear the beeps, and we're going to get 4 beeps before it's ready. When you hear the beeps in succession, that means that that curl is ready and you can release it. And you can see how I'm taking this a little bit higher, especially around the front section. So I'm going to go again into the hair, let go, allow the beeps. You get 4 beeps when you're working with 10 seconds. And when you release, make sure you open it up fully and allow the curl to release like that. So what I'm going to do first of all is to just create a little bit of volume, so you're going to get that more of a wave curl effect all the way through. And what I'm going to do is to just put her head back as well, and then just rake through the hair very gently with my fingers, so you can see incredible volume and definition that you're going to get on this type of hair. And there you have, fantastic.
Spiral curls imagined by me. Tools, imagine the style.
If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more videos.